Magandang tanghali po mga kapamilya mula dito sa San Juan Arena. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagtutok. Gandang depensa ni Monsayak. Good recover by Mapua Cardinals. Josan Imes for 3. Ayun na coach, narinig ka ata.
Well, remember, he's averaging about 17 points per game. First 2 games yan, 21 points on the average. If there's one guy who really has to step
Sa NCAA Season 91, tumatakbo ang EAC Generals. Napakagandang pasa.
And that came from Francis Monsayak.
Imes. 2 minutes na lang ang natitira sa ating first quarter. Pull up J, that is good. We have timeout on the floor.
They have to set up their shooters. If there's one guy again who can shoot,
That is
Ezekiel
Bitek. Bubre, Monsayak, lead pass to General. Napakagandang layup niya, coach.
Good catch, good finish, second assist for Francis Monsayak. And they're on top now, 50 seconds to go here in the first quarter.
Tama ka, coach. Imes. High pick. Bitek for 3. That is good.
Nagdadalawang isip, no?
Session ng Mapua. Sumesenyas ng play. Menina. Ang depensa ng Mapua doon. Kaya naman forcing another turnover. Etong si Biteng nag-iinit na. Sunod-sunod na yan.
Well, I don't know if he's hearing us or takbo na yung takbo yung laro, which is actually their start of play, their style of play.
Kaya naman ito si Lamino naka-score sa middle. Ito na nga, umiinit na ang mga ball. Corner pass, General for 3. Shooter nga yan, gaya nga ng sabi ni Coach AJ.
That's something that he can really do.
Ng ating third quarter. Monsayak with the ball. Binibigyan ng pick ng kanyang kakapiles. Binalik kay Josan. Binalik sa gitna. Foul and 1. At nagtataka na naman ang naka-foul. Bakit daw? Napakagandang pull-up J. Speed move ni Aguirre yan, coach.
Yeah, pwede natin balikan talaga yun, no? Very clear, no? Na kahit na yung mga graduates, alam nila where the weakness is. You know, I've been talking about this 3-point shooting prowess being shown by Mapua.
Serrano, Menina, Oraime para naman sa EAC Generals. Onwubere, Estacio, Lamino, Monsayak, and Mejos.
Unang-una, yung fast break na yun, no? Again, that extra pass.
Rebound is Olwell Oraime, lead pass, Mapua Cardinals at puntos na naman sila ng layup.
Not just a perimeter shooter. Etong si Serrano also can finish the fast break. 17-point lead now. Etong Mapua.
Of course, makakasama niyo dyan, Andre Felix at Mikey Reyes. At ang ating colleague na
Tuloy pa rin. Ito, 3-on-1 fast break opportunity. And this is a textbook fast break coming from the Mapua Cardinals.
alam niyang strong side yon ni Serrano, kaya naman doon niya pinasa sa strong side. Of course, pag layup, kabisado mo dapat. Kulang pa sila sa tao. At lamang na dito ang Mapua. That is the story for the EAC Generals. Patuloy pa rin ang pag-ulan ng Josan Imes. Ito na yung dribbling skills na sinasabi mo. One-on-one with the help. Sabi ko nga, napakagaling na finisher nitong si Josan Imes. At nakakuha na naman siya ng end-one play. Kaya naman tuwang-tuwa ang mga fans dito sa San Juan Arena. Tingnan mo yung coach. Isa, dalawa. 17 points for Ke. Nagpe-pressure pa rin dito ang Mapua Cardinals. Francis Monsayak, hindi pa siya tapos. Sa pull-up 3. Not to mention, wala pa si Andretti Stevens na kanina naman talagang defender. Eto si General, pupukol sa 3. Nakakuha na niya sa pangatlong pagkakigay kay Nieles. Nieles, the drive. Whoa! That is a nice floater from Nieles.
Ngayon naman, pinapakita nila.